River Valley High School is showcasing new technology to help train students in the trades. Thanks for joining us at 10. I'm Maria Lizignoli. Now, this equipment gives students the opportunity to learn advanced manufacturing. NBC 15's Tyler Peters joins us now. Tyler, this is a part of a bigger mission to get more youth involved in manufacturing. An official with the River Valley School District tells me they hope to expand this manufacturing curriculum to surrounding school districts. The goal is to do so over the next 3 years.
It's a beginning of a step-by-step regional process.
Tom Martin wants to bring manufacturing curriculum to schools across Wisconsin.
This is not about Richland County, it's about our entire region here in Southwest Wisconsin, making sure that as it relates to advanced manufacturing, every man and woman is as career life ready as they can be.
Thanks to a collaboration with the Cooperative Education Service Agency, it's become a reality for River Valley High School.
We've made a really concerted effort to make sure that we're keeping up with the times with technology education.
The school is introducing new manufacturing technology. It allows students to get hands-on training with modern manufacturing equipment.
For us to get them career ready, specifically for some of the high needs industries in our area, we have to make sure they have some really specific skills that get them ready for the job.
The equipment helps prepare students for manufacturing careers right after they graduate. Glassbrenner says he hopes River Valley students can help fill manufacturing jobs right in their community.
To get kids into jobs such as manufacturing right away, it is crucial. It is crucial for a school district. We have to make sure that we are meeting our community's needs.
Glassbrenner says they plan to expand the manufacturing curriculum to areas like Richland Center, Riverdale, and Ithaca. In studio, Tyler Peters, NBC 15 News.
In any district, you want to make sure that you're offering opportunities for children that are college ready, career ready, or community ready.
We need to be able to provide for Southwest Wisconsin the opportunity to compete and to be able to help our kids be on the same playing field as other students from across the state. We are one of 12 CESAs in the state of Wisconsin to assist districts with services they could not provide on their own, but cooperatively, we could do it together.
Here at River Valley, we don't have an automation lab. We don't have a mechatronics lab. So where can we fit in these types of learning experiences?
Rural districts don't have a ton of money sitting around. So this gives us a great opportunity to build in new things by having matching grants or partial grants where we can provide our kids great equipment and great curriculum.
We work with school districts like River Valley all the time to basically provide authentic industrial training experiences and get their hands on the same type of technologies and equipment that they're going to see out in the real world or in a future career.
If they're into auto, they're into advanced manufacturing, these are the things that are going to get them excited about it.
We cover everything from advanced manufacturing, industrial maintenance, automotive, automation, industrial Internet of Things, artificial intelligence.
We have hydraulics, we have relays, we have sensors, we have basic electronics, pneumatics. The kids can actually start to maintenance those things and actually see how they function together.
All of these different things that either a K-12 program doesn't think they could start to deliver to their students, and also showing industry partners that, yeah, you can have a student that can show up on time, have the soft skills, be willing to work with others, and have some technical skills to support their company and support the local economy.
What I'd love to see the space become is a regional hub for many districts. River Valley is central in the areas of Iowa, Richland, and Sauk County, and so I think with that being a great center space, I'd love to see other communities, other school communities, other people, teachers, have access to this space as well so that we can continue to make sure that that energy goes right ahead.
Other districts could not afford this themselves, but in a cooperative manner, working with River Valley and together, we can empower young people from around the River Valley community in order that whether it's Highland or Ithaca, Weston, Riverdale, wherever they call home, they can come here once a week in our academy model and then go back in the youth apprenticeship program. So it's again taking those credentials, that experience, and be able to empower them to be as career life ready as possible.